I'm by Fort Kirkland. I heard the trumpet go off a minute ago, and then this song plays. We're getting near the end of this military operation, finally. Felt like we've been thrown through the mud, but it had to be done this way. Trump had to take the long way around to wake people up. Too many people have been asleep for too long. And the cabal was gradually taking over everything, our banking system, our school system, big pharma, the media, the fake news, all that stuff. So what Trump done, used the military. All the big players have been executed, just like Joe Biden was before the firing squad in 2019. So you've been watching clones and actors. One of the actors I know was Arthur Roberts wearing masks. You've seen the different masks pull up. Now we're finally starting to see this come out, this information on TikTok and other places. Trump knew he had to do it this way, drip, 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 slowly, to keep from throwing us into chaos and into a civil war. He wants the military to get this wrapped up by July the 4th so we can have the new currency system. We're all going to get a big reimbursement, and that will be the start of the best days of our lives. Everybody enjoy your Friday.